you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you.
So basically what I use to start off my makeup, let me move this because what I use to start off my makeup is CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion, which has the SPF in it. I use this. I already did my eyebrows off a camera and I use a concealer. As you can see, my under eyes. Under the brow bone, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Pure Beige. So this is the top part, the color that matches my skin, which is the same concealer but in fawn. So this is, I've kind of put this same concealer, the one that matches my skin, on my face. I just gotta blend it out now. So I spray my face with my setting powder, this setting spray. And this is the Maybelline Lasting Fix 16-hour matte finish. So I spray this on my face and then I blend out my concealer. So first I start off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just to brighten up anywhere under my under eyes and my chin. So next I go in with the shade Beautiful Bronze and I get basically under my cheekbones and by my nose and above my forehead, just to give it like a natural bronze look instead of applying bronzer. Next I go in with the shade Fabulous and I basically start up from the top of my crease almost by my brow bone and I work my way down to the end of my lid by my lash line and just blend that out. And after that I basically just start blending out the under eye concealer and then blending that out, and then also blending in my bronzer, well, my concealer from my bronzer. But in a way I could say, like, for my under eyes I try to do like a winged look for my concealer, just to make the eyeshadow look winged out at the end. For my powder, I mainly focus under my eyes where the lightest concealer was set, on the sides of my nose, not the center, and also between my brows, just so that it doesn't give it a flashback or it doesn't seem like I have oily skin. And I also get under my cheekbones, which is where the bronzer was set, and also probably a little bit by my chin and above my upper lip, just so everything is blended out good and it looks matte.
Mentally tough as you in your entire life, and he hasn't, and he never will.
Jordan, you're so cute.
You that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life, and he hasn't, and he never will.
Jordan, you're so cute.
Next I go in with the darkest pink shade I found in my blush, and I just apply that to my cheekbones. And then right after I apply the Mirage towards the center of the T area of my nose and across. And then I also get the top of my cheekbones just to give it a nice natural highlight effect to the makeup look. Now for the shade Deep Beige, I basically use this and kind of overline the top of my lip. And then I work my way to the bottom, and then I basically just smudge it out so it does look blended. Next, I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie, and I basically just focus on the center and work my way around both of my lips, and I mainly pout it so the lip look does look natural.
You that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you.